Hello students of class 8. Good morning to all of you. Today topic is linear equation in one variable. Words problem. Exercise 2.4. We have already learned about this exercise question number 1 to question number 4. Today we will learn about further questions, and question number 5 is suppose mother's present age is 6 times Soboj's present age. Soboj's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present age? मीन्स यहाँ कह रहे हैं एक सोबो नाम का लड़का है जिसका प्रेजेंट एज जिसकी माँ का प्रेजेंट एज उसके प्रेजेंट एज का 6 टाइम्स है, और आज से 5 साल बाद जो सोबो का एज होगा वो माँ के प्रेजेंट एज का 1/3 होगा। तो सोबो की एज क्या है और उसकी माँ की एज क्या है, यही हमको फाइंड करना है। तो लेट प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सोबो बी x एंड हिज मदर्स प्रेजेंट एज बी 6 years, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ, आज से 5 साल बाद एज ऑफ सोबो इक्वल टू x + 5, देन x + 5 इक्वल टू 1/3 ऑफ प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ हिज मदर. प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ हिज मदर इज 6 years, 1/3 ऑफ 6 years. So by cross multiplication 3x + 15 equal to 6x. Now by transferring rule 3x - 6x equal to -15, then -3x equal to -15, then x equal to -15 upon -3, then x equal to 5. Now Sobo's age equal to 5 years and his mother's age equal to 5 into 6 equal to 30 years. There the age of Sobos is equal to 5 years and the age of his mother's is 30 years. This is the answer of the question number 5. Now question number 6 is there is a narrow rectangle plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will the cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimension of the plot? Means we have a rectangular plot. This is a rectangular plot. In this rectangular plot, this is narrow rectangular plot, so length is greater and breadth is smaller. So length is given as ratio 11:4. So length of the plot be 11x and breadth of the plot be 4x. So given that the total money of fencing the wall 75,000 and 100 rupees per meter. So the perimeter of the plot is total cost upon per meter cost equal to 750 meter. Now according to the question, perimeter equal to 750. The formula of perimeter of rectangular plot is 2 into L plus B equal to 750. So 2 into 11x plus 4x equal to 750. Now 2 into 15x equal to 750. Then 30x equal to 750. Then x equal to 750 upon 30. Then x equal to 25. Length equal to 11x, means 11 into 25 equal to 275 meter. Then breadth equal to 4x, means 4 into 25 equal to 100 meter. Now question number 7 is given as Now question number 7 is given as Hassan buy 2 kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him 50 rupees per meter, and trouser material that cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. So the ratio of shirt material and trouser material will be 3:2. The ratio of shirt and trouser material be 3:2. Then he sell the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? मीन्स पूछा जा रहा है कि हसन एक सेलर है जो 3 मीटर शर्ट के कपड़े पर 2 मीटर ट्राउजर का कपड़ा लेता है। इसके बाद वो शर्ट के कपड़े पर 12% का प्रॉफिट लेता है और ट्राउजर के कपड़े पर 10% प्रॉफिट लेता है। इस और टोटल बेचने के बाद उसको 36,600 रुपीज मिलते हैं। तो आपको बताना है कि उसने ट्राउजर मटेरियल कितना खरीदा है। लेट शर्ट मटेरियल भी 3x and trouser material भी 2x. Then the cost of shirt material, equal to 3x into 50 मीन्स हसन जो है 50 रुपीज पर मीटर के हिसाब से कपड़ा शर्ट का कपड़ा पाया हुआ है। तो 3x into 50 equal to 150x. This is the cost of shirt material. So selling price of means SP of shirt material at 12% profit, at 12% gain. Then we know that the formula 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. Then 100 plus 12 upon 100 into 150x. Then 112 upon 100 into 150x. Then 168x. This is the selling price of the shirt. Now cost of trouser material 2x into 90 equal to 180x. Then SPR trouser at 10% profit, at 10% gain. Then 100 plus 10 means 110 upon 100 into 180x. Then we have find 198x. This is selling price of trouser material. then according to the question we have according to the question we have 168 yards plus 198 yards equal to total money 36,600 rupees, then 356 yards equal to 36,600, then x equal to 36,600 upon 366. Now x equal to 100, then transfer material equal to 2x, then 2 into 100 equal to 200 meter. Means Hasan bhai 200 meter cloth half trouser material, and if he asks how much material of shirt material, then shirt material equal to 3x, means 3 into 100 equal to 300 meter. This is your answer. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Question number 8 means एक हिरन का झुंड है जिसमें आधे हिरन जो है वो घास चर रहे हैं और जो बचे हुए हैं उसका 3/4 पार्ट जो है नजदीक में खेल रहे हैं। बाकी जो 9 बचे हुए हैं वो तालाब में पानी पी रहे हैं। तो उस झुंड में टोटल हिरन की संख्या कितनी है यही हम लोगों को फाइंड करना है। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ डियर इन हर्ड, टोटल नंबर ऑफ डियर इन हर्ड equal to x. So grazing deer equal to x upon 2. Now playing deer equal to x upon 2 मीन्स आधा हो गया, आधा बचे हैं, x upon 2 अभी बचे हुए हैं। तो 3/4 ऑफ x upon 2 मीन्स 3x upon 8. Now according to the question total number of deer x, if we subtract x upon 2 and 3x upon 8, then we find the remaining deers, and remaining deers is 9. So according to the question means total number of जो हिरन, टोटल नंबर ऑफ डियर है वो x है। x में से अगर हम जो ग्रेज कर रहे हैं x upon 2 और जो खेल रहे हैं 3x upon 8, इन दोनों को माइनस कर दें तो रिमेनिंग जो डियर होगा वही रिमेनिंग डियर जो है हमारे क्या है ड्रिंकिंग पॉन्ड में वाटर ड्रिंक कर रहे हैं, तो वही क्या है 9 के इक्वल है। तो सो x माइनस x अपान 2 प्लस 3x अपान 8 इक्वल टू 9। नाउ we take the LCM of 1, 2 and 8. The LCM of 1, 2 and 8 is 8. Then 8x minus 4x plus 3x equal to 9 upon 1. Then 8x minus 7x upon 8 equal to 9 upon 1. Then x equal to 72 means total number of beer in hertz equal to 72. Total number of beers in hertz equal to 72. This is your answer of this question. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. Let age of granddaughter age of granddaughter bx and age of grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So age of grandfather be 10 years. According to the question, grandfather is also 54 years older than his daughter, means 10 years equal to x plus 54. Then by transferring rule 10x minus x equal to 54. Then 9x equal to 54. Then x equal to 54 upon 9. Then x equal to 6 means age of granddaughter equal to 6 years and age of grandfather equal to 60 years. Question number 10. Now in question number 10, this is last question of exercise 2.4. Question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. Let his son's age be x, his son's age be x, and Aman's age be 3x. Now according to the according to the question, 10 years ago Aman says equal to 3x minus 10 and his son says equal to x minus 10. Aman is 5 times his son says, then 3x minus 10 equal to 5x minus 50, then 3x minus 5x equal to minus 50 minus plus 10 means minus 2x equal to minus 40, then x equal to minus 40 upon minus 2, then x equal to 20 means son says equal to 20 years. And Aman says equal to 3 into 20 equal to 60 years. This is answer of the question number 10. So thanks for today's class, and in next video we will study about reducing equations to simpler form. Thank you for today's class, and complete the copy and submit your copy.